Just focus on my voice for the next few minutes, because what I'm about to tell you might completely change the way you think about money in 2026. No distractions, no overcomplicated advice, no fake guru promises, just real, simple, and powerful ways Americans are making money right now, and how you can do the same. The truth is, the old way of earning working 9 to 5, waiting for a paycheck, hoping for a raise is slowly fading. People across the United States are shifting towards smarter income streams. They're using technology, automation, and leverage to create money in ways that didn't exist a few years ago. And the best part, most of these methods don't require a degree, a big investment, or even years of experience. You just need to understand how the game has changed and how to play it. Let's start with the first way Americans are making money right now, and this one is exploding faster than anything else: AI-powered side hustles. You've probably heard about artificial intelligence, but what most people don't realize is that it's not just a tool, it's an income engine. Right now, thousands of people are using AI to generate content, automate tasks, and even run entire businesses without showing their face. Imagine this. Instead of spending hours writing content, editing videos, or designing graphics, you let AI handle most of the work. People are creating YouTube channels without ever appearing on camera. They're generating scripts, voiceovers, thumbnails, and even full videos using AI tools. And these channels are earning through ads, affiliate links, and digital products. The barrier to entry is lower than ever. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to learn how to use the tools properly. Now here's where it gets interesting. Americans are not just using AI for content creation, they're using it for freelancing and services. Businesses need help with writing emails, managing social media, creating ads, and building websites. Instead of doing everything manually, people are using AI to complete these tasks faster and then selling those services on platforms like freelancing websites. What used to take hours now takes minutes. That means you can handle more clients, earn more money, and scale faster. This is why AI is not just a trend, it's a massive shift in how money is made. If you ignore it, you fall behind. If you use it, you gain an unfair advantage. The second way Americans are making money right now is through digital assets. This is one of the smartest income strategies because it focuses on building something once and earning from it again and again. Think about it like this. Instead of trading time for money, you create something that keeps paying you even when you're not working. This includes things like YouTube channels, blogs, online courses, ebooks, and even simple digital products like templates or guides. For example, someone creates a short ebook teaching a specific skill. They upload it online, and every time someone buys it, they earn money. No extra effort required. That's the power of digital assets. YouTube, in particular, has become one of the biggest money-making platforms in the United States. But here's the twist: many of the fastest-growing channels are completely faceless. No camera, no personal branding, no need to show your identity. People are using stock footage, simple visuals, and strong voiceovers to create engaging videos. Topics like finance, motivation, business, and storytelling are dominating the platform. And once a video starts getting views, it keeps generating income through ads. Some creators even combine this with affiliate marketing, recommending tools or services and earning a commission for every sale. It's like building a digital machine that works for you 24/7. Another powerful form of digital assets is online courses. Americans are packaging their knowledge into simple, easy to understand lessons and selling them online. You don't need to be the best in the world. You just need to be one step ahead of someone else. If you know how to edit videos, manage social media, or even use AI tools, you can teach that skill. And once your course is live, it can generate income for months or even years. This is why digital assets are so powerful. They give you leverage. Instead of earning once, you earn repeatedly. Now let's talk about the third way Americans are making money right now. And this one is all about smart investing and modern finance strategies. But don't worry, this is not about complicated stock market theories or risky gambling. This is about understanding how to make your money work for you. In 2026, more people are realizing that saving money alone is not enough. Inflation eats away at your savings. So instead of just saving, Americans are learning to invest strategically. One popular approach is investing in index funds and long-term assets. Instead of trying to pick the perfect stock, people are putting their money into diversified funds that grow over time. It's simple, less risky, and proven to work. Another growing trend is micro-investing, using apps that allow you to invest small amounts of money regularly. Even spare change can be invested. Over time, this builds into something significant. The idea is consistency, not quick wins. But that's not all. Many Americans are also exploring alternative investments. This includes things like digital real estate, where you build websites or online pages that generate traffic and income. It also includes investing in skills. Yes, skills are one of the highest return investments today. Learning something valuable can increase your earning potential far more than any traditional investment. The smartest people are not just investing money, they're investing in themselves. Now here's the truth most people don't want to hear. None of these methods are get rich quick. They require effort, consistency, and patience. But they are real. They are working right now, and they are accessible to almost anyone with an internet connection. The biggest mistake people make is waiting for the perfect moment, the perfect plan, or the perfect opportunity. But the people who are winning right now are the ones who start, even if they don't have everything figured out. Think about this for a moment. A year from now, you'll either look back and say, I'm glad I started, or I wish I had started. The difference comes down to action. You don't need to do everything at once. Just pick one path, learn it, apply it, improve as you go. That's how momentum is built. That's how income is created. So if you're serious about changing your financial future, start simple. Explore AI tools, create digital content, build something that can earn for you over time. Learn how to invest wisely, and most importantly, stay consistent. Because in today's world, consistency beats talent, effort beats excuses, and action beats overthinking. And remember, the opportunities you're hearing about right now, they won't stay easy forever. The earlier you start, the bigger your advantage. So don't just listen to this and move on. Take action. Even a small step today can lead to a completely different life tomorrow. Disclaimer: this content is for educational and informational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and nothing in this video should be considered financial, investment, or legal advice. The methods discussed are based on current trends and personal research, but results are not guaranteed. Earning money online, investing, or starting any side hustle involves risk, effort, and consistency. What works for one person may not work for another. Always do your own research, evaluate your financial situation carefully, and consult with a qualified financial professional before making any financial decisions. Any income examples mentioned are not typical and are only used for illustration purposes. Your results will depend on your skills, dedication, and market conditions.